Ako si Jillian at ang jowa kong si Derek. OFW dito sa Taiwan, hilig gumala. Another day off, another gala. Tara, samahan nyo kaming libutin ng Taiwan. Gusto mo rin bang ma-experience yung ganito kagandang view? Tara, samahan mo kami sa aming hiking adventure. Dito lang yan sa Elephant Mountain, Taipei City. As usual, need na naman natin mag-train. At sobrang akong na-amaze dito sa design nila dito sa Changshan Station. Exit 2 tayo at paglabas nga, bubungad na sa'yo yung elepante nila. Yung Changshan Park or Elephant Park. Ganito nga pala ang ganap sa mga park dito sa Taiwan pag Sunday, Family Day, maraming tao. Na-amaze na naman ako sa building na to, yayamanin. At nandito na nga tayo sa start na Changshan Hiking Trail. Tara, samahan mo kami. First hiking nga pala namin ito ni Jowa na magkasama. Bigla na lang siyang nagyayang mag-hiking. Kaya kahit hindi ayon ang outfit, gumora pa rin ang person. At first of all, get ready for a lot of steps. This will be workout for the day. Changshan derives its name from its external shape. Ang Shang means elephant in Chinese at ang Shan naman ay mountain. O ayan, may dagdag kaalaman na naman tayo ayon kay Manong Google. Matatagpuan ito sa South Part section ng Xinyi District, Taipei City, Taiwan. Itong Changshan Hiking Trail ay very popular hike. Kaya naman, it's get really busy on weekends. Sabi nila, it's better to go on the weekdays if you can, para masolo mo yung mga view deck nila dito. Kaso tayo, weekends lang din pwedeng pumunta, kaya ayan, napakaraming tao, hirap sumingit para makakuha ng picture, video, kailangan mo pa talagang pumila. The 6 giant rock on the peak are a tourist attraction and there are platforms for photographers. Sabi nila, it takes an average of 24 minutes to complete this hike. Pero kami ni Jowa, inabot kami ng 45 minutes. First hiking! It's so worth it naman ang view pag nakaakyat ka na. Tanggal ang pagod mo dito, promise, pag nandito ka na. This is the great place for photographers and sabi nila, the best time to hike this Elephant Mountain is in the late afternoon so that you can enjoy daytime city views, see the sunset, and over the capital's skyline. Elephant Mountain nga pala, it is 183 meters, 600 feet of height, and has a hiking with a distance of about 1.5 kilometers. And its total of 500 steps until on the rock viewpoints and 600 steps on the top. At syempre, hindi kumpleto ang pag-akyat mo dito sa Elephant Mountain kung wala kang picture at videos to be a souvenir sa mga malalaking bato to. At natapos na naman ang isang araw naming day off ni Jowa. Siya, sige, bye!